Hello YouTube. Well, got my wheels back and ready to mount. Sorry for some poor lighting because I actually got it back at night. But today I have something special. It's a caliper holder right here. It's going to mount to here. So to install it, I think that I should pre-drill this till it's a little bit out. And when we install it, it'll be a lot easier. Set. There you go. Like that. All right. Like that. Interesting. All right, double check that which bearing goes to where. So it looks like that the smaller bearing goes to the non-ABS side. The big bearing goes to the ABS side. See how there's a big one right here? Okay. Okay. Big bearing. ABS side. Small bearing. All right. Let's see how hard this is. Get this in. Caliper. Oh, that's good. Looks good. Okay, let's put this back. Go. Okay, repeat the process. Okay. Let's go. There you go. One more. Okay. Same going out this way. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, look at this. Well, don't forget to clean your rotor as well. Clean your rotor. It's not bad. All right, let's put this back in. All right, let's see how this thing is. I'll make sure this thing don't pop out. Spacers in, lined up this, and voila. Alright, so I had the hardest time this block. I thought that this was here, so it turns out that flat out here, so then I'll be able to screw this in. Otherwise I thought that this was like sticking out anyways.